Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A10s and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find accounts on backup. Now let's tap up backup and restore, and as you can see here we've got a whole Google account section. So let's tap on backup my data and turn on this option. Now we can go back, and as you can see backup account option is active, so let's tap on it and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so if you want to, just tap on it and you will be able to read all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so simply tap on accept. And right now your device lists all items which will be backed up, so the backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. So let's tap on OK, and as you can see, nothing happened. Let's check, let's get back and enter it again. And as you can see, here we've got our just added Google account. So it means that from now on, all the content which have been listed will be stored on our Google Drive. What's more, here we've got the option automatic restore. You can turn it off just by tapping on it or keep it turned on. And it means that your device will restore backed up settings and data automatically when the app will be reinstalled. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Samsung Galaxy A10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.